Welcome back to the Wild Blue Wanderers channel. I'm Scott.
I'm Ashley.
And we are headed to the Dynamax Rally in a few days in Hurricane, Utah.
Yep, we're going to go, we're leaving Southern Oregon and we're going to go across Nevada and see what exciting things we can find. So if you want to join us and follow along.
Yep, we're on our way.
Our friend Donnie was on a 4,500 mile road trip with his border collie Ellie. Met up with our friend. Say hi, Donnie.
Hi, Donnie.
So we contacted him to find out where he was, and it turns out he was actually just 90 miles east of Adel, Oregon, and we happened to be exactly 90 miles west of Adel at the same time. So we went ahead and met up outside the Adel store, let the dogs play, and we chatted about our travels. It was a pretty quick meetup in Eastern Oregon, and then we both continued on our respective ways. Donnie made his way home to Eugene, and we headed over to Nevada. Not much to see along the way, but we sure had a pretty sunset.
Recalculating.
Good morning. So it is a beautiful day, and we spent the night in this truck stop outside of Winnemucca, Nevada. And it's about 20 miles outside of Winnemucca, but it's a little bright out. But man, it was pretty. Now I got me some coffee, breakfast burrito. So it's a good start to the day. We are headed into Winnemucca, then we're gonna go, I think we're gonna check out Great Basin National Park in Nevada. Never been there, driven by many times. So yeah, we're gonna get the show on the road as soon as I can get some sunglasses on. So there's our rig. You can see it wasn't much more crowded last night, maybe a few more trucks, but that's about it. So have a good one, we'll see you on the road. So we're about 6.5 miles from the Sacramento Pass dispersed camping from the BLM, and so wish us luck that there's some spaces available. I think there's supposed to be about 6, and then there's an upper campground that we might go and check out as well. So here goes nothing.
Turn right on Osceola Road.
Alright, so we're pulling into the diverse camping near Great Basin National Park.
Yep.
In Nevada. What's this called again?
This is Sacramento Pass BLM Dispersed Campground. We'll see if there's any spots available. Looks like one actually right down here.
Let's see, it looks like. Which way do we want to go?
Arriving at N39.122163W114.3514 on the left.
Oh, there's one right past there with that. Oh no, there's it's parked there. Sorry. I didn't see him. So my thought is we'll park down there.
Recalculating.
Assuming this circles around?
Mm-hmm, it does.
Assuming each one of these little huts is a site?
Uh-huh.
And this is free camping? I saw somebody
free.
down at a kiosk down there or something.
Yeah, this is free. And that is a little trout or a little bass pond that you can fish in. You still have to have a fishing license.
Gotcha.
So either one goes back down. So those are the equestrian. So what I would say is we'll take the Jeep, disconnect the Jeep, but maybe go by this little area down here.
Is that a camping spot though? It looks like just an outside picnic table.
I'm not
I
sure.
wouldn't call that a part of the campground.
Correct. But at least it's a place to disconnect and check it out.
So this is going to be our home for the night, just one night, but it's 3:30 in the afternoon. So we're going to take a little drive over to Great Basin National Park. We're at Sacramento Pass Recreation Area, Equestrian Trail and Campground. There's plenty of room up there, but there's just like one small vehicle next to each of the little covers. So we picked this spot down here. There's a fire pit. It doesn't say no camping here. There's a trailhead here, but that's what we decided, where we decided to stay. So it's just for one quick night, and we're gonna go for a quick drive and see what Great Basin National Park is all about.
So there's two: Great Basin Visitor Center and Lehman Cave Visitor Center. So we're here. Oh, we got 5 minutes.
Get your stamp.
Oh, I didn't get my stamp. Thank you. She can be taught. Look at that. Well, we made that right in time.
Yeah, we did.
So we have Bald Mountain, Wheeler Peak. No, Wheeler Peak. That's Bald Mountain. That's Wheeler Peak. There's Pyramid Peak. Eagle Peak.
Something like that.
10,000 feet. And that's the Great Basin. Like Salt Lake City,
Yep.
all of it.
We're
Great
right-
Basins are right in the middle.
National Park, we're right there. And we're heading to somewhere down in this area.
Right there.
So we don't have a very far drive to do tomorrow. 200 miles.
I think it
If
was.
it's even that.
Yeah, I don't even think it was that. I thought it was less than 3 hours.
Single vehicles over 24 feet and trailers over 24 feet are prohibited beyond the upper Lehman Camp. Railroad starts to
So if you are longer than 24 feet single vehicle or have a trailer that's longer, you can come in here and turn around just fine. So if we ventured up and didn't know we couldn't go all the way, we would have been just fine turning around. Great Basin National Park. This is the Lehman Caves Visitor Center. It's after 4, so it's closed. Probably go up that way to the caves. So my whole life is a bad hair day, so please excuse that. However, I will say, coming to Great Basin National Park to the overlook at 5 o'clock in the evening is probably the best idea, because we are the only ones here. Another sunshine, right? Say hi, Scott.
Hi, Scott.
We have the place to ourselves. And that is cool.
Goodbye.
There was another dog. Hi, are you gonna say hi to the camera? Nice camp spots. It's level and nice little pad and picnic tables and campfire rings. The handicap one.
$20 per camp unit.
Tell you what, this is the time of year to come here.
Set up van life.
Van life. Hi, van life. There's some water. Meadow. Set up with their van life. There's a pull through. Oh heck, we could totally fit. Yeah, so this is about as long as you can get here is my guess. They're squeezed in. Here. They got all their stuff with them. That was a nice campground.
Very nice.
But like you said, well, I like where we parked.
Oh yeah.
In
We can park
Sacramento Pass.
We can park our big rig down there and then drive the Jeep up here and poke around and see.
Yeah.
Leave the dogs if we wanted to in the motorhome and with the air conditioner if we wanted to go on a hike. 10,180 feet is the highest I saw, according to the Garmin.
Unfortunately, we can't go to the summit because dogs aren't allowed on the national park trail. And so we're not going to be able to hike straight up.
No.
But otherwise, we totally would. Totally. There, an overlook right there. I feel like we need to trim some trees on the overlook.
Ours was the only Super C we saw on this leg of the trip. That's the moon. But tomorrow's another day. We will be at the Dynamax Rally tomorrow, so I'm sure there will be many, many Dynamaxes to have sightings of. That's what's left of the sunset. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave us a comment, and stay tuned till next week.